HYSR stock, SunHydrogen Inc. It closed the session of the 9th of November 2021 at $0.088, a gain of 23.77% for the 8.6 million shares across the tape. And the average volume for the last 10 trading sessions is about 31 million. So this volume for this last trading session is above average. So we have a position in SunHydrogen, and market cap is about $356.8 million. And the news out there is that SunHydrogen partners with MSC Co Limited of Korea, and their CEO and one of their director of technology visited the company. The MSC Co Limited of Korea, they visited them, and I think they have this. What it's saying here is that in the first stage of the partnership, MSC will begin reproducing SunHydrogen's electrolyte chemistry in an industry setting to validate their capability for mass manufacturing. The manufactured electrolytes will then be sent to SunHydrogen's lab in Iowa to validate MSC's efficacy in electroplating the PAH components at the same quality achieved at lab scale. PAH, or photoelectric synthetically active heterostructures, are the foundation of SunHydrogen's nanoparticle technology, in which billions of PAH nanoparticles split apart water at the molecular level. So they're going to rely a lot in this technology, amongst other things, on some sort of nanolithography and all that stuff. So what is certain is that the stock was in a strong bullish trend in just within that last trading session. So this is all that happened during that last trading session. You can see it has inclined steeply, so there's a good chance okay, let's see there's a good chance it may pull back 23% in just one session. But let's look at the underlying trend. Let's look at the daily chart for SunHydrogen and see what we have there. Let's see. We're hoping it comes up. Yes, we're just, it's going to be the 1 year chart, and we'll see what's happening there, what has been happening with the stock. Okay, so what we have is that I think we are seeing the end. We may be seeing the end of a downward trend, the end of the cycle low, because we have this trend. This trend has it played out on a lot of EV stocks, a lot of green tech stocks. We saw the spike up till sometime in early this year, and then the downward trend ensued. So we're now seeing, especially as we're just watching with SunHydrogen, that downward trend, that the downward trend is probably coming to an end. It has broken out significantly, and interestingly enough, we have seen that on two occasions you can see here, from the 4th and the 5th, it was retracing, but never ever fell close to any of its moving averages. They never fell close to that. Those moving averages are still below there. So, and then it began to extend again. So those are very good bullish signals, So, and it has since moved above its 50-day moving average for a long time. Since, what would I say? Since all the way back to June, it never closed above this 50-day moving average. The only time it did was sometime in September, but of late now, when did it cross this 50-day moving average? Cross the 50-day moving average sometime in this month as well, 2nd of November. That was when it crossed it. So the bullish signs are there. Things are improving for SunHydrogen, but how far would it go? The next challenge is to break through the resistance from the 50-day moving, 200-day moving average. You can see that's where the next challenge is. So the readout here says it appears to be rallying within a longer term bearish trend, driving SMACD above the signal line. However, the 200-day moving average is declining, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower, but it's also outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for HYSR stock is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for the stock. The volume for that session was heavier than usual, trading for 6.802 million shares versus an average of 33.27 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term selling pressure has given way to near term accumulation by traders. And then we have a price target of a price trading range, especially for the next session, the session of the 10th of November 2021. We have a trading range of between $0.079 and $0.094. That's based on what it has done in this last trading session of the 9th of November. We expect it to trade within this range. It could be higher, it could be less. So see what you make of SunHydrogen, and thank you very much for watching this video.